So our given question is two coherent light sources having intensity I1 and I2. If ratio of Imax upon Imin is 6:1, then we need to find I1 upon I2. So as we know the formula that Imax that Imax is equal to root I1 upon I2 plus 1 whole whole square. And I mean similarly same formula, just minus sign will come here. And so our question will be solved, it will be simplified as it is given that it is 6:1. We will put it in the formula like this, and if we will simplify we will get the ratio I1 is to I1 25:9. That is our correct answer, and that's the fourth option. Thank you.